What's happening? Episode 3, welcome back. Reptilian Diaries, Western Australia, Karijini National Park. Welcome to the Pilbara. Yep, it's morning time. We're in Kew. Last night was dope. We found Oidura, Western Brown, Pseudonasia, Nephris vertebralis, a few other Rhynchiodura, little geckos. I think we found Polker again. That's it. We're going to leave Kew and head north on the Great Northern. Be in the Pilbara later tonight, and shit's gonna get interesting. So, we'll be filming the trip, see how we do. So we hit the road. We just passed the town of Meekatharra, and we're heading north up to Newman, which is kind of the heart of the Pilbara. And I don't know, it's not very hot, and it's actually cloudy, and it was raining earlier. It's super green outside, so I don't know what we're gonna do today, but I'm sure it will involve some lizards and some snakes. So it's gonna be a long drive, but when we get up there, we'll get into it. Ready? Oh, there he goes. He's real chill. Beautiful. Nice work.
Really red. Oh, okay, buddy. You're okay. I'm gonna let you go. Promise.
Sort of little Stenophorus.
He's inflating.
He's inflating. Little beauty. So we made it up. We're outside of Karijini National Park. And I don't know what this weather's gonna do, but it's looking sketchy over there. But over here, look at that gorge. That's a snaky looking gorge. So, I don't know. It's coffee time. All right, so Karijini National Park. We got in the late afternoon. It was looking stormy. Had some coffee. Decided probably best to try to get up to a roadhouse and get a place to stay for the night, because it literally looked like it was going to dump. And later we found out that it dumped. So we made a good decision. We ended up completely just bypassing one species that I really wanted to find, which was Underwoodosaurus seorsis. But, you know, we'll make another trip. So anyway, yeah, we got in the car and we started road cruising, because we had a distance of about probably 75 miles or so to get up to where we were going to stay, which was Oski. And so the whole drive up was just nothing but road cruising. So check it.
Look, see right here. Look.
This is a big
here,
olive python right here.
Look.
He's looking okay though.
Okay.
Look at this big olive. A big Pilbara Olive Python. This is Liasis olivaceus baroni. Look at this. What is this? 8 foot? Easy 8, huh?
Easy 8.
Easy 8. Look at that snake. Let's bring him off the road. What a beautiful snake. Wow. Super good, super bad. Amazing olive python, man. This thing was probably 8 to 9 foot. Absolutely beautiful. It's a rare snake. They're threatened. The bad news is that this snake had been hit. It was in decent shape. It looked like it had gotten clipped by one tire. I mean, it was definitely alive. It wasn't like freaking out like a lot of snakes do when they get hit. It wasn't writhing back and forth and, you know, twisting itself up and stuff. It was kind of acting like nothing had happened. You know, we moved it off the road. I mean, it was amazing to see a big snake like that. And with such a long and large snake, maybe they can survive a hit. I don't know. There's a lot of road trains that come through these highways, and these trucks, they can't even stop if they wanted to. They're such a big truck that, I mean, they couldn't stop if they saw a snake. I mean, you see big giant bulls laying dead on the side of the road because they can't stop. So a snake, just, you know, no chance. Anyway, it was alive. It was dope. Got a little bit of footage of it. I didn't want to mess with it too much. I wanted to get it off the road. Hopefully it made it. Who knows? Epic find.
Woo! God, okay.
So we just road cruised this bad boy. I saw him and went sprinting back down the road. Check this out.
Lights.
Greggy, your first Centralian?
This is awesome.
Woo! Look at that.
It's okay, buddy. You're fatty.
Dude, that's
Love
so
the colors.
red. Holy shit.
Yeah. Look how calm.
That's a juvenile.
Juvenile.
Centralian Blue-tongue, Taliqua multifasciata. Up on the Great Northern. This was a target species. We're super psyched right now. We're going to do a photo shoot, and then maybe we'll talk more about him. Boom. Taliqua multifasciata. This is the Centralian Blue-tongue skink. This is a subadult / juvenile. It's a young one. Just found it crossing the road here up in the Pilbara, and we are psyched, and I'm getting bit up, so I'm done. I'm releasing him. What do you got? Oh, it's a Burtoni.
Yeah.
Nice. Beauty. Woo, right after the Blue-tongue. Damn. Man, we barely got off the road and pulled up on this legless lizard. This is Lialis burtoni. Beautiful, beautiful animal. This is actually closely related to geckos. It has no legs, or it actually has vestigial little weird things on the backside of it. This is actually really cool when it's striped. These guys range almost all over Australia, as well as up into New Guinea. And that is really cool. That is really cool. I know Greg wanted to see one of these bad boys.
Lizard eaters.
Lizard eaters? And he was just right on the road. Just road cruised another one of these Burtoni. This one's not striped. This is more like a red color. Pretty rad. There he goes. Isn't that neat? Super cool. Found a pygopid, which is like a legless gecko. It's really strange little guys. Greg has him.
Call them scaly foots.
Scaly foot.
This might be a Delma.
Chill. Yeah, that it could be. So we're gonna have to ID this one because there's a lot of different species up here and they're pretty similar. But we will ID it. Very cool. Just cruised Strophorus wellingtoni. Really cool. Heck yeah. I'm gonna get some better video with the other camera. Alright, I can't see shit. We got a wheelerized cinctus. Alright, it's raining. It's a beautiful little gecko sitting out here in the rain. Oh, that's a female. Beautiful. We cruised this one also just a second ago. So we're gonna find a dry spot so we can take some photos. Nice. So we got rained out. I gotta be quiet because we're in a little hotel situation, but dumping rain tonight. We did manage to find some cool shit. What did we find today? We found the legless lizards, the olive python. We found a dead Anorexia perthensis. We found Nephrus cinctus. I think that's it, but yeah, man, it started raining, as you can tell. It's raining, there's bugs everywhere, but man, good night. Super awesome. Tomorrow, it's gonna be good. We're gonna do some gorge walks tomorrow and just hike around. So I'm tired right now. It's been a really long day. We're right outside of Karijini National Park, and that place is supposed to be amazing. So it's been dope. I'm gonna do a tally, I think, tonight, and we'll figure out how many species we have. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was episode 3. That was the first part of Karijini. Next episode will be the second part of Karijini. And yeah, more to come. Super fun finds, just road cruising. I mean, we haven't even really hiked any gorges yet. So stick around.